What's up, guys? Today we're working on the 03 to 06 Chevy Silverado shop project. We're going to be doing our hood strut kit, so we're going to show you the parts and how to get that installed. Okay, so the hood strut kit comes with, of course, its brackets, hardware, shocks, and you also get some instructions. Let's start by popping our hood. All right, so this is the hood already popped, and it has these factory hinges, which I guess are cool, but you know, we could do something better, a lot smoother, a lot nicer, that are going to work also when you do the relocation. Like we mentioned, we are doing air suspension on this truck, so might as well go ahead and take care of that now. You can start off with either side, it really doesn't matter. We're starting on the driver's side. We've got to remove these factory bolts there. They're 13 millimeter. You have 2 there and 2 on the top. Go. Muy bien. Wasn't even recording. All right, the next thing that we got to do is remove this hinge. Very important that once you take off this hinge, of course, the hood may fall. So use some type of hood prop, you know, some tool that's going to hold it from not falling on your head. That's also 13 millimeter, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so the first thing to do is go ahead and put your ball stud for your shock. Ball stud is going to be facing towards the inside of the vehicle, like so. Pretty much how it goes for rules of customization. What you do to one side, you do to the next. So this is the driver's side ball stud. Done. For the passenger side, you have these 2 factory holes that are going to guide you, and you have to drill this bottom hole out here. You don't have to do that for the driver's side, but you do have to do it for the passenger side. Let me show you by having the bracket installed. So you can use the hardware to guide you. So we installed the hardware there. It's still loose, and that's going to guide us to make the hole that we have to make down here. On this side, this hole did not have to be drilled, as you saw, so it makes it a lot easier to install. Now that we got the bolts all ready, all we have to do is tighten it. So it's pretty easy. You can use any tools of your choice. I guess it depends. If you get paid by the hour, you know, take your time. And here we're trying to get this stuff done, so we're going to go ahead and try to do this pretty fast. Just kidding, guys. That's going to take forever. This is the last piece we got to tighten up, which is the ball studs that go on the brackets themselves. Okay, so now just install the shocks. There's one. And like so, you are done. One thing we did forget to mention is that you do have to trim. Sometimes this little lip sticks out a little bit too much. So we're going to go ahead and trim that down so that way it doesn't create any friction or it doesn't hit the shock, basically. All right, so we went ahead and put some paper just to make sure we're not getting sparks on the paint, on the fenders, or the glass. And basically all we used was the same paper that was used to package them. All we did is just open it up and then put it on here to protect it from the grinding. All right, so we did have to trim that a little bit and then just add a little bit of paint so that way it doesn't rust or anything like that. And that's pretty much ready to go. And then just clean up any little marks in case you have any marker marks or anything. That way it just looks neat and clean. So now all we got to do is close it. Now I will tell you this, these shocks are super strong, man, especially brand new. So you got to be careful. Hopefully I don't slam the hood, but it will close by itself very strongly. So I'm not going to do it that hard or that high. Now we got to pop the hood. Go ahead and open it. See if I can do this one-handed. Then all I got to do is basically, I'm holding it from here, just let it go. It opens by itself. Pretty simple. Works really good. And if y'all were wondering what that crunchy sound was a little leaf that was in there. So no, that didn't mess up anything or anything.